Hello students, in this video we will explore the inspiring life of one of the greatest scientists of all time, Albert Einstein. This is a chapter 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind from class 9 Behind. So, this chapter is a biological sketch of Albert Einstein, but it's not just about his scientific achievements, it also highlights the beauty of his mind, values and human spirit. First we will discuss the story summary in simple English. Albert Einstein was born in Germany in 1879. As a child, he was different. He started speaking late and preferred being alone. He loved music and played the violin and was deeply curious about science. He didn't enjoy traditional schooling, but his way of thinking was unique. He went on to earn a degree in physics and later a PhD. 1905 is known as a miracle year because he published 4 groundbreaking scientific papers, including the theory of relativity. These ideas changed how we understand the universe. But Einstein wasn't just a scientist, he was a kind-hearted humanitarian. He opposed the war, racism and violence and spoke out against the use of atomic bombs. When he won the Nobel Prize, he used the prize money to support the charity and education. Einstein died in 1955, but his ideas and values continue to inspire the world. What's the moral of this chapter? This chapter teaches us that true greatness lies in a balance of intelligence and compassion. Einstein was not only a genius but also a kind and a thoughtful human being. So, what are the difficult words from this chapter? Patent clerk, a person who checks and registers new inventions. Genius, a person with extraordinary intelligence. Humanitarian, a person who cares for humanity and works for social goods. Racism, discrimination based on race or skin color. Nobel Prize, one of the highest honor for achievements in science, peace, etc. So what are the important questions? What was Einstein like as a child? He was shy, started speaking late and preferred being alone. But he was a deep thinker. Why is the year 1905 called Einstein's miracle year? Because he published 4 revolutionary scientific papers that year. What was Einstein's view on the atomic bomb? He deeply regretted its use and advocated for world peace. Einstein's life proves that having a sharp mind isn't enough. A kind heart makes you truly great. That's what a mind truly beautiful. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.